All right, today we're going to look at solving for variables to find either the variable or the angle measure with parallel lines cut by transversal. So the big thing we need to think about this, we've got one of two things happening here. We've got angles that are the same measure, or we've got angles that total 180 degrees. And that's going to make the difference in how we set up the problem. So in this case, I've got corresponding angles. They look the same. They're both acute angles. They sit in the same spot of the parallel lines. Well, you guys already know, you can tell by looking at that, those two angles are equal. So to set this up, we just say what the first one is, and we know it's equal to the second. So to find the value of x, we just need to solve for x. Subtract 6x from both sides. Let me write that all the way out. We get negative 2x equals negative 10, divided by negative 2, divided by negative 2, and we get x is equal to 5. So here's the thing with this, that's the value of x. To find the angle measure, we have to plug that back in to either one of these. So that's going to give me 4 times the value of x, which is 5. That angle is 20 degrees. I can plug it into here too and get 6 times 5 is 30, minus 10 is 20. I should get the exact same thing. And that's always a good way to go in and double check. So on the other end of this, those two angles were equal, so we were able to find x very easily. If we have angles that are not equal, let me make one that's pretty simple here. Okay, we've got an obtuse angle, we've got an acute angle that make a linear pair. They're supplementary angles side by side, so they total 180 degrees. So we know if we take this plus this, we're going to get 180 degrees. Okay. Same thing, we solve for x. 14x plus 4x is 18x equals 180. And then divide by x to find the value of x. 18 divided by 18 is 1. 180 divided by 18 is 10. So our value of x is 10. You could plug that back in now to find the value of, or the measure of your angle. Now notice these are two completely different problems. I should have actually erased this one before I started this one. I just wanted to show you the difference in how you set up ones that are the same, you set them equal to each other, and the ones that total 180, you add them and set them equal to 180.